Second assembly line, the heart of our backhoe loader diesel engine will be attached. Customized diesel engines are available. The Cummins, the Weichai, the Yuchai, etc. Weichai/Yuchai/Cummins Tier 2 engine, Weichai/Yuchai/Cummins Tier 3 engine, Perkins/Yuchai/Cummins Euro V engine, etc. Gearbox, inside there's all the gears, the cogs. Just like a car, backhoe loaders can be manual or automatic. The variable displacement piston pump and gear pump are assembled as well. The backhoe loader is equipped with a powerful Weichai WP4G95E221 diesel engine with 70,000 watts of power, accelerating up to 36 km per hour. Whether you're digging trenches, excavating, loading, lifting, or moving, SHANMON backhoes are the perfect tool for the job. SHANMON are far ahead in the industry, ensuring that your project runs smoothly. Contact us today to reserve a backhoe for your next project.